Hi guys, welcome to Soft Asia Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can add background in row using WP Bakery Page Builder. To add it, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now go to plugins and click on add new. Now go to upload plugin, choose file, and I am selecting VC Super Bundle plugin. I have edit link in description. You can download this plugin for free from there. Now click on install now. Wait until installing. After installation, click on activate plugin. Now you have successfully installed the super bundle for WP Bakery Page Builder, which I have downloaded from given link. Now go back to dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more informative tutorials about WP Bakery and WordPress. Now go to post and click on add new. Add post title and publish the post. Now click on WP Bakery Page Builder and then click on Backend Editor. Now click on Add Element button. Go to Super Bundles and select Row Background. Now choose image. Click on Set Image. Here you can change background color. I am selecting this one. Make its position center and cover. The save changes. Now click on this plus button. Add text block and add your content. Save changes and view the changes. Now you can see background image in your row. Now go back to editor. Edit this row which we added from WP Bakery. Go to design. Here you can add a background color. I'm adding this color and save change. Now preview the changes. It will not appear because we have used this background color over this row. Now click on row background, scroll down and change background position to top center. There is center top. The save changes and preview again. Now you can see some image will appear from its top. That's how you can add row background in your WordPress website and change image position in your background using WP Bakery and Super Bundle for WP Bakery plugin. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.